Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I have this end table. I figured we could do a fun little project together. We'll take it apart, sand it down, put it back together, and then we'll come up with a cool design for it. So stick around.
Such a short time being alive, always hardship inconvenience, makes it so hard to make sense. I want this now, I want this now, and I know it's just a matter of time before we tumble across the borderline. We can't go forward and we can't rewind. I want this now.
Okay, now we got it all disconnected. We'll sand this down. I'll go 120 to 320, and then we'll glue these back together.
Close your eyes. I can't believe we've been through this for so long. Pressure is on. You better step up. Probably stop biting the stupid stuff. Just close your eyes and you'll be fine. Such a short time being alive. Always hardship inconvenience.
So we're gonna reuse these screws. They got some surface rust on them, some of it's a little worse. So we're gonna try cleaning it up by putting them in this bottle, and we're gonna be using just distilled white vinegar. We'll cover them up, and we'll leave them in here for a couple hours. See how they look afterwards. Plenty. Alright, we'll come back. Okay, we have everything sanded and prepped, ready to go. Let me know what you guys think I should do in the comments below. We got some paint. We could do a nice dark stain around the edges, maybe for the legs. And what I was also thinking is, this has about an 1/8 of an inch lip that borders the inside. And I'm really into epoxying, so we could do some really cool designs using epoxy in the middle. But let me know what you think down below. Hit like, share this with your friends. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. I'm kind of leaning towards a stain for at least the legs, but let me know what you think. So I'll see you guys on the next video.